deployment of the National Guard.
This mission has been described as 60 days, and the TRO lasts for 14 days. So logistically and legally speaking, what does the next 2 months then look like if they appeal?
We'll meet things as they come.
Now, there are still, though, Texas National Guard members in the state. If this order is, we don't want them here, how are you going to make them leave?
Well, I'm not physically going to be
escorting
people. The judge has ordered that the National Guard of the United States, whether they're from Texas or any other one of the 50 states, should not be deployed within the state of Illinois. So it is up to the defendants to make certain that they abide by the judge's order.
But
It's not us.
The order was granted in part today, and my understanding is that the part that was not granted was like broader military, perhaps in preparation for the Insurrection Act. Are you still worried about that being used by Trump, and how do you feel about protecting it? Maybe you guys didn't get everything.
Listen, I'm worried about a lot with regards to his administration, and I've been responding to a lot. We have some 40 plus lawsuits, some of which we started preparing for and we could anticipate, and some actions that we could not anticipate. I can't anticipate. It's only been 8 or 9 months of this administration. While it seems like 10 years, it feels like we have 10 years worth of actions. I find no joy in challenging my own government, and so I think all of you would agree with me. The acts of this president and this government are unpredictable, so I can't predict what's going to happen in the future.
Just to clarify, do we have to be back here and do this all over again 14 days from now when the TRO expires, or what do you anticipate will happen?
I can't predict what's going to happen tomorrow. I can't predict what's going to happen 2 days from now. I will tell you, I have a capable staff of attorneys who have been responding to various actions, and they've been working through the night. Again, they are American heroes. I'm proud of them, and unfortunately, they're ready for what may come next, and we will respond.
Take effect immediately, or is it tomorrow when the judge enters it officially? No. Yes. Okay.
So you said it's up to the
Can
defendant.
you explain what it actually means and clarify what partial TRO means, what a partial judgment means in this case?
But what part wasn't granted, I guess, is what I still don't understand.
What's the part?
Three claims granted on one claim as of right now, which was Section 12406.
Okay. So in our complaint, we had multiple claims. You heard a lot about Section 12406. That is the claim upon which the TRO was granted. So that's the granted in part.
So you said it's up to the defendants to comply with TRO, but if you wake up tomorrow and National Guardsmen are still out in Broadview, and the administration says, oh, we're just not going to pay attention to this, there are levers of power that you and the governor could, do together, or you could, provide the, say, legal backup for the governor to, say, employ the ISP to perhaps do something to remove these guardsmen, or back up the Attorney General.
Listen. We have been in litigation on a great number of issues. For example, there have been cases with regards to freezing of federal funds. In some of those cases, after we have had orders granted, we have had to go back into court to seek relief, and we have received such relief. And so we are not in the business of armed removal of National Guard
So no
people.
comment
So
on how you're going to enforce this?
I just commented on it. Thank
Are you
you.
disappointed? Are you disappointed? Are you?
No, I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappointed a lot at all. I think the judge did a very careful job of weighing all the evidence, questioning both us on behalf of the people of the state of Illinois and the city of Chicago, and questioning the federal government, weighing the evidence. And I want to reemphasize weighing the credibility. This was about credibility. You heard about the attempt, some of the declarations of acts, alleged acts against ICE officers, where they sought out a grand jury indictment that was denied. There's an old saying about indicting a ham sandwich. The defendants in this case couldn't put together a ham sandwich. Thank you.
Do you have a reaction to Mr. James being indicted by a grand jury today?
Can someone explain the in part for those?
The in part, what I understand was they could flood the DHS votes. I suppose they can't send
When was that said?
well, no, they can send it to the DHS. They can send it, but they can't send it to the National Guard.
Yeah, okay, that's my understanding.
Okay, but when was that said? When did they say that?
I'm not sure. When he said the 12 or 06 thing, I know that is specific to the National Guard.
So Cannon said it for DHS, but not National Guard.
Yeah, exactly.
That's the part. Thank you. Okay, that makes sense. Thank you.